Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
This part of downtown Lincoln reflects how transportation history has been preserved and integrated into modern urban space. Rather than removing old infrastructure, the city has reused and displayed it as part of a public environment. Railways and carriage routes were central to Lincoln's early growth. From the late 19th century onwards, freight trains, passenger services, and horse-drawn transport connected the city to regional and national markets. These systems supported agriculture, manufacturing, and commerce. Streets, warehouses, and service buildings developed around them. As technology changed, much of this infrastructure became obsolete. Steam locomotives were replaced by diesel engines. Passenger rail declined. Carriages disappeared from daily use. Many transport-related structures were abandoned or dismantled. In many cities, this history was erased. Lincoln chose a different approach. Selected rail cars, carriages, and transport elements were restored and placed in public spaces, alleyways, and redevelopment zones. These displays are not isolated museum pieces. They are integrated into everyday walking routes and commercial areas. This creates historical continuity. People encounter transport heritage while moving through the city rather than seeking it out. It becomes part of the urban experience rather than a separate attraction. Facades and signage reinforce this connection. Many buildings retain original business names, architectural features, and industrial markings. Former depots, loading areas, and service entrances remain visible. These details link current activity with past functions. A central feature of this heritage is Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy 710. This steam locomotive represents an important period in regional rail history. The CB&Q Railroad played a major role in connecting Nebraska to national markets and transport networks. Its lines supported agricultural exports, industrial supply chains, and passenger travel. Locomotive 710 reflects that system. As a steam engine, it required extensive maintenance, skilled operators, and coordinated scheduling. Its operation depended on water stations, fuel supplies, and repair facilities. Each journey involved multiple support roles beyond the crew. Preserving the locomotive highlights this complexity. It represents not only engineering achievement, but also organizational systems that sustained early transport networks. Railways functioned as integrated operations linking towns, industries, and labor forces. The locomotive's placement within the city reinforces its significance. Rather than being hidden in storage, it remains visible and accessible. This supports education, historical awareness, and community identity. Together, the restored transport element demonstrates Lincoln's planning philosophy. The city treats infrastructure as long-term cultural assets rather than disposable equipment. Old systems are documented, maintained, and incorporated into new environments. This approach supports economic and social stability. Heritage features attract visitors, support local businesses, and strengthen neighborhood character. At the same time, they provide residents with a sense of continuity. For viewers, this area shows how movement, trade, and engineering shaped Lincoln's development. It demonstrates how past transport systems continue to influence present-day urban structure. It also illustrates how thoughtful preservation can balance historical respect with practical modern use.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.